VS Code is one of the most popular IDE in the world. It is created by Microsoft and is used by millions of developers every single day. VS Code is a great coding editor on its own, but it becomes even better when you use its extensions. Extensions are like add-ons that you can install to add new features and functionality to your VS Code editor. In this video, I will cover the top 7 VS Code extensions that every developer needs in 2023. These are the most essential Visual Studio Code extensions to help you become more efficient programmer who can develop something in very less amount of time. Especially if you are into web development or mobile app development, this video is a must watch for you. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. The first extension we have is the Live Server. This is a must-have extension for any developer creating front-end websites using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Once installed, all you have to do is open your project, look for the Go Live button on the status bar at the bottom, just click on it to launch your live development server, and now you can view your current project live on any browser. Also, anytime you make some changes, just press Ctrl+S button to reflect the changes in the browser in the real time. So this is amazing and also very helpful. The second extension we have is the Prettier. Stop wasting your time formatting the code and let this tool to do it for you. Prettier let you format your code every time you save a file. Make sure to go to settings and check mark format on save option to enable auto formatting. So this is quite helpful, especially if you are working on bigger projects. Also, it saves a bunch of your time. The third extension we have is the Material icon. With this extension, you will get solid icons next to your file names. If it is an HTML file, it will have an HTML logo and so on. The fourth extension we have is the Material theme. With this extension, you will get some themes that will make your VS Code look better. Once the extension is installed, just go to settings and click on color theme. Now you can choose between different themes. The fifth extension we have is the React extension. With this extension, you will get React and React Native development support. Suppose if you want to create a React functional component, you just need to write RFCE, which stands for React Functional Component with export, and there you go how easily you have created a React component. So this extension is very helpful for writing JSX and other React code. The sixth extension we have is the Flutter extension. With this extension, you will get Flutter and Dart both installed. It will provide excellent Flutter and Dart support. We can create widgets through some shortcuts, and also it will help you debug and run your code properly. The seventh and final extension for this video is CodeSnap. Suppose at some point if you want to share some part of your code with your friends, CodeSnap is the best extension to do that. Once installed, you can open CodeSnap by using Ctrl+Shift+P and by searching CodeSnap and hitting enter. After that, you will see this window on the right hand side of your editor. Now just select a portion of your code and you will get real-time view of your image on the right. And to save your image, just click on the CodeSnap icon at the top and you are done. Now you can view and share your image to anyone. And also it looks very professional and clean. So guys, these were some of the most useful VS Code extensions. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos related to web development and programming, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon next to it. Also, if you are interested in front-end developer roadmap, check out this video.